This IPL season, Advanced Hair Studio celebrates the champions, on and off the field. For the first time in AHS history, we are unveiling something special, a once-in-a-lifetime offer worthy of this legacy of champions. They shine under the brightest lights. They rise when it matters most. Because for true stars, the glory never fades. For 53 years, one name has been redefining confidence worldwide to get your life back, your youth back, your confidence back. Advanced Hair Studio, the world's largest hair restoration and retention company. 300+ studios worldwide. Over 1 million lives transformed. Now let your confidence take center stage. Celebrate the moment. Celebrate your victory. Remember, stars never fade. Transform your hair at Advanced Hair Studio.